Welcome back to Market Mind Solution. Today, we're diving into one of the biggest stories in tech. Alphabet might be sitting on a $900 billion opportunity that most investors are completely overlooking. We're talking about Google's TPU chips, which Wall Street is calling Alphabet's secret sauce. First, let's look at Alphabet's stock performance, which has rallied 31% this quarter alone. This impressive gain isn't primarily driven by Google search or YouTube ads, but by their tensor processing unit, or TPU, chips. TPUs are custom-built chips designed specifically for artificial intelligence and machine learning workloads. For years, TPUs were Google's internal secret weapon, powering everything from Google Search to Google Cloud. Now, there's growing optimism that Alphabet could start selling these chips to outside companies, which changes everything. So what exactly makes TPUs special? They are ASIC chips, or application-specific integrated circuits. Unlike NVIDIA's versatile GPUs, TPUs are custom-designed for one purpose: accelerating machine learning. NVIDIA chips are more versatile, but also more expensive and hard to get, with massive waitlists. TPUs, on the other hand, are cheaper and optimized specifically for AI workloads, offering a crucial cost advantage. Mark Ion of Homestead Advisors noted that if you can use an ASIC chip, Alphabet leads that market by far. Now, here's where things get really interesting: the big deals. In late October, Alphabet announced a massive deal to supply tens of billions of dollars worth of chips to Anthropic, a leading AI company. This announcement sent Alphabet stock soaring more than 6% in just 2 days. Then, reports emerged that Meta is in talks to spend billions more for access to TPUs. Two of the biggest names in AI are lining up to buy Google's chips instead of relying solely on NVIDIA. Gil Luria of D.A. Davidson stated that if companies want to diversify away from NVIDIA, TPUs are a good way to do it. He made a bold prediction: if Alphabet captures just 20% of the AI chip market, it could become a roughly $900 billion business. Let's look at what the analysts are projecting for the numbers. Morgan Stanley expects about 5 million TPUs to be sold by 2027, up 67% from previous estimates. By 2028, they expect 7 million TPUs, which is 120% above prior estimates. Every 500,000 TPU chips sold to third-party data centers could add about $13 billion to Alphabet's revenue. This would boost sales by almost 3% from chips alone, with consensus estimates for Alphabet's 2027 revenue already rising. The market is clearly starting to price this in, recognizing the immense potential of Alphabet's TPU chips. This could truly be Alphabet's secret sauce, driving significant growth and reshaping the AI chip landscape.